Yo, baby, you ready to let the games begin?
Oh, baby.
Cause I'm ready. On your mark, get set, here we go. Check it.
Okay, hey y'all, I'm excited because I have added on another addition to my Murad, what is this? Cleanser. So I did do a video on my channel showing you how I got clear skin. I introduced the Murad cleanser on that video, and I've been using it ever since. I have not went back to my previous cleanser. I just pretty much been using this for maybe like a full month. I've been using it and I love this Murad cleanser. Now again, it's a little expensive, but I like it. So if you can go and, I don't know, splurge on it, go ahead. It's a 4-in-1 multi cleanser. Again, it leaves my skin glowy, clean, and I haven't had any like reactions or anything from it. So I recommend a Murad. Let me show you how it looks. Cleanser, 4-in-1. That's step one. Alright, so again, I've been using this for a month. I love it. Second thing I bought was this step 2. Now this is the exfoliating. So the step 2 I bought was the exfoliating scrub. What is it? Facial scrub. It has vitamin C, triple exfoliating facial. So I exfoliate my skin every day. I use an exfoliating pad, and I pretty much exfoliate with whatever cleanser I use. I don't exfoliate with a serum, maybe like once a week, if that, because again, I exfoliate my skin every day. I don't want to also use exfoliating serum unless I need to. So I did pick up this exfoliating for Murad. Now this retails at Cosmoprof because I'm a licensed cosmetologist for $55.99. I caught it on sale for $20. So I got a good deal on that. So I said, hey, let me just go ahead and try it. Now the directions said that I should massage onto clean, damp skin using a circular motion until formula changes orange to an even white color. That indicates that it has an even application. Leave on for 10 minutes. Wet your hands and use a sweeping motion to rinse off and complete your facial. Pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Now, I usually don't put on serums with my hands. I don't know. The most I do with my hands is I put the moisturizer on at the end. I've never applied a facial scrub with my hands, but I'm going to try to do it with this. If I don't like how I feel, then I'm going to pretty much put it on some kind of cloth or something. Alright, so let me cleanse my face with my Murad, and then once I get done with that, I'm going to add my exfoliating facial serum. See how that goes. Alright, I'll be right back.
Go. Shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's
so I've cleaned my face. I have a clean face. Alright, now it's time for me to add my facial exfoliant. And this is how it comes. Well, this is how it looks, rather. Okay, and I'm just going to add it to my face in a circular motion. Usually when you put on any kind of cleansers, exfoliants, anything that goes in your face, you always put it on in an upward motion. I don't know, they say that it's supposed to prevent you from having like a droopy face when you get older. So you're always supposed to put it in an upward motion. So for instance, I'm gonna see how much I need. Hold on. And if I sound a little congested, it's because I am. I'm getting over a little cold. Alright, so this is how it looks. It comes out orange. And so they said once you put it on your face and you have an even application, that it will start to turn yellow. So let's see. I'm probably going to be looking in this mirror right here so I can make sure I'm putting it in the right areas of my face. Also to make sure I'm not going to be like, I'm not breaking out, because this is my first time using this cleanser. So I don't want to break out from anything either. So Let me see how I'm gonna do this. I'm probably just gonna do one of these moves. My T-zone. Oh, it has a good smell to it.
Go, 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 shorty, it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give up, cause it's your birthday. Party in the club, bottle full of bub. Mama, I got what you need if you need to fill a bar.
Okay, so I'm done with the application of the mask. And this is how it looks. It pretty much did turn white. Once it has an even application, it turns white. Actually, I'm going to put a little bit on my lips also. Let's see how that goes.
Go, 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 go,
Okay. So I also added some to my lips. Did kind of like a lip scrub. And so the instruction says to leave it on for 10 minutes. So I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. And this is how it's looking after 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm just going to use my facial wipes to wipe off the scrub. I don't never use towels on my face, so it's either wipes. It's going to be wipes forever. So I usually run it under water to like rinse off anything that comes in it. Like some of these wipes have, these wipes are vegan. These Shea Moisture wipes. So they have coconut milk in them. But I just rinse it out. And that's from taking off makeup. Alright, and I'm just going to start wiping this off my face. I probably need to make this a little wetter. It rinses easy. So that's another thing when you're using exfoliators. You want to make sure you're not struggling to get the product off your skin. You might have to go through one time and then go through a second time. And when you got to go through 2 or 3 times, who got time for that? See, it's coming off easy. And I like that. I like when a facial scrub comes off easy. Okay, so I used my first, I used that first wipe just to pretty much get the mask off. Now I'm going to use a second wipe to pretty much wipe it all the way clean. Okay, so this is how my face looks after the scrub. And it still has a couple of specks of it on there, but it's fine. You know, you're just gonna have a couple of them left probably. Alright, the next thing I do after I do my facial scrub is I use my toner. This is the only toner that I use. This is the only toner that I use. My Skin Passion apple cider vinegar toner. It has a anti-acne natural ingredient in it. It has also a the apple cider vinegar gives you an even skin tone. It helps with any discoloration, any dark spots. And then it has a little bit of cleanser in it. So if you need an extra cleanse to it, everything in here is natural. This is the only toner I use. This has changed my skin life tremendously. I don't know. This is the only toner that I've used. This is probably the key ingredient on me changing how my skin is on my face. So if you're interested in it, the link is in the description box below. Skin Passion Toner. I actually, for the month of May, is going to have a, let me come back at camera. For the month of May, I'm going to be selling some skincare trial kits. So on beautypassion.com, I will be selling my skincare trial kit so you can try out my skin routine so you can see how it'll help with the improvement of your skin. Also, if you watch that video on how I clear my skin, I use the same products in there, but it's a trial kit so you can try it out before you buy a full-size portion. It'll come with the Skin Passion toner. It comes with the exfoliating pad that I use. Also, it comes with the moisturizer that I use currently to help me with my dark spots. So make sure you click the link in the description box below to purchase your Skin Passion skincare trial kit. And again, Skin Passion is the only toner that I use. Alright, so what I do is just get a little cotton round that I get from CVS, Walmart, Walgreens, a little cotton round. And I spray my toner with that. Spray my toner on that. Just a couple of sprays is all you need. And then you pretty much are just applying it to your face. This is to help again for any acne breakouts. It helps reduce dark spots. And it gives you that extra cleanse to make sure you got everything off your face. Make sure you do your neck, your jawline and your neck. A lot of people ask me like, wow, like you look so good to be your age. And in my mind, I don't think that I'm old, but I don't know. I guess 43 is old to people. I guess if you're in your 20s, I guess 43 is old. I don't know. But people be like, hi, you don't look 43 at all. It's because I changed my skincare routine. I drink plenty of water now. I'm still trying to work on getting more water in my system. I recently started taking vitamins last year. I take vitamin C. I'm already prescription vitamin D pills. So I take vitamin C and vitamin D. I pretty much try not to eat bad foods. I just came off of vacation. So I ate a lot of bad foods on vacation. So now it's time to get back into my normal skincare routine. And I started off with my exfoliating mask. Now, so far I like the way this feels. It has making my skin have like a glow to it. Alright, so the next thing I do is I add my moisturizer. Once you get done exfoliating, cleaning, your face feels dry, you need to add a moisturizer. So I add my dark spot minimizing moisturizer by Gold Bond. Now when I was on vacation, I was in a warm climate. So I usually take my Aveeno moisturizer because it has like a SP 15 in it. So I can won't get sunburn. So I usually use that, but since I was back in Chicago and we're still in a cold climate, I usually use this on my dark spots. And you just make sure you concentrate on the parts of your face that is discolored. So again, when you rub it in, you're going to use an upward motion. Okay, and then that's my skincare routine for today. I've added again moisturizer. I'm added again to my cleanser, which I've been using for about a month that I love, my Murad cleanser. And then I did a exfoliating scrub today. My exfoliating scrub today. And so far I like it. Now I'll keep you all informed on, I'll do a follow-up review if I have any kind of, I don't know, any kind of allergic reactions. My skin, my face is starting to break out or something like that. And from the any kind of rashes, anything that goes on, I'll give you an update on it in about a week or so if anything is going wrong with that. But I'm only going to do it once a week because scrubs you only need to do them once a week. Again, I exfoliate my skin every day with an exfoliating pad, so I only need to do one of those once a week. And I needed to do it because when I went out of town, when you come back, your skin just isn't right. Alright, so the next thing I add to my skincare is lip gloss. And today I'm just going to be putting on this baby, what is this? Baby Lips by Dr. Rescue. So it's just some tinted moisturizer. Because I'm not going anywhere, so I just usually put on just like a moisturizer for my lips. And that's it. Okay, so that's the end of my skincare routine. Adding on a facial scrub. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure you check the description box below to get your Skin Passion toner today. On the month of May, all during the month of May again, I will be selling a Skin Passion toner trial kit. And it will come with my Skin Passion toner. It will come with a scrub, which is the scrub that I usually use. And it'll come with my moisturizer that I use. And then it'll come with, I think I'm going to add a cleanser to it too. Usually I use the Neutrogena cleanser. So that's what I usually use before I started the Murad. I usually use the Neutrogena. Let me see if I can find it. This is the cleanser that I usually use, was my Neutrogena cleanser. So I think I'm going to put that in there, the toner, and a moisturizer. And it comes with a scrub package that I use every day on my skin. So that's going to be the trial kit. Make sure you hit the description box below to purchase it in the month of May. Alright, thank you all for watching. Hecky now, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.